critters, welcome back to the Crafty Critter. I am super excited about this unboxing video. I have been waiting to get my hands on one of these for months, and they're constantly out of stock, and I am just so happy now that they finally got one of the ones I wanted in stock, and I snatched it up right away. So here it is, Diamond Art Club. So this is a diamond painting, and I'm super excited about this. So I'm going to be right back. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open up this outer box so we can get to the inside. I haven't broken the seal or anything yet, so I will be right back as soon as I've done that. Okay, critters, so I'm back. I got it out of its outer box. So the outer box has the inner box, which is the kit. So, oh my God, the box is in great shape. And their boxes are just so cool because they have like these little holographic images and they're writing on them. So, but yeah, it's really, like, they come in really pretty boxes. So let me show you. Here, I'll let you see the back in case you've not seen the back of that. So the kit will come with the canvas. It will come with the diamonds, your diamond applicator, white wax, and a tray. As normal, it'll be a pretty standard kit. So yeah, and it gives a little details, of course, on the diamond painting and everything like that. So this painting, here we go. Are you ready for this? Because it is called Love in Its Darkest. So there we go. Jack and Sally. I am so happy about this. So this is a round with AB diamonds. This is my first kit with AB diamonds. I've never had ABs before. I'm super excited as we have Athena coming and joining us for video. Hi, kitty. Dina's upset because my daughter got a new kitten. Its name is Boots. It's the most darling thing ever, but Athena's not happy about it. So here we go. So this is a 20 by 30. So we are going to open this. I'm going to do that off camera real quick. I'm going to break the seal. I'll come back. Okay, here we go. Ooh, there's the canvas. Ooh, I feel the diamonds and the canvas. I feel it all. Here it comes. There it is. I'm so excited about this. Oh God, I'm just so excited about this. So, we get that. Now what you get with them, they give you the list. So here's, there's 50 colors. 2 of them will be the ABs. The ABs, they have it at the top of the list or the bottom of the list or where we're at. I don't know. I will have to look at that. Interesting symbols. Some of these symbols are kind of interesting. And you get a little picture. So this is a much better picture of it. Again, you get the details of the canvas and everything. And this is a sticker. So this whole sheet is a sticker, so I'll be able to cut these off and just use them on whatever containers I decide to go with. So when we come back to kit this one up, I will go over that with you. So here we go. Oh my God. Can we tell I'm super excited about this? And we have Athena still up here above me now. Oh, there's the diamonds. There's the diamonds. All right, I'm going to try to unroll this. And I will have to back my camera up. Oh my God, it's huge. It is huge. Look at that. Oh my God, this is just as big as the Starry Night I'm working on still. Oh my God, that is amazing. This is poured glue. The canvas is sparkly. Okay, they've given a parchment paper with this. That's interesting. So you can swap it out. If you don't like to work with this this kind of cover, you can swap it out. Let's take a look here real quick. Oh my God, that's sticky. Ooh, and very clear fields. Wow. I wish you could see this on the camera, and you really can't. But this canvas has like sparkle in the canvas itself. It is like so cool. Oh, there you go. You can see it a little bit off to your left here. That is so cool. Oh my God. All right. I'm gonna roll this back up here real quick, and we're gonna take a look at the diamonds. Okay. Okay, wait a minute. Hold on. We gotta do the pour. There we go. I am gonna keep the bag. These are the instructions that fell out. Look at this. Oh, look at those colors. Oh my God. All right, well, I'll be right back and we'll take a bigger look at this. Okay, critters, so here is the toolkit, which I found stuck in the box, so it didn't fall out. So we get a blue pen. Get the tray. Ooh. Okay, there's a multi-placer. This is is that a 3-placer? 4-placer. It's a 4-placer. I've not had a clear tray before, so this is new to me too. And you get a little pen squishy, so that would go on there. And, oh, I heard about this with them, and I'm like, oh, look at that. Those are so cute. This is kind of, so with all the diamonds they give, they only gave like 4 bags, so it's like nothing. That's kind of sad. This is a cool bag though. Look at that. I'll be definitely reusing that. Okay, so, all right, I'll put that all back in there in a little bit. All right. Okay, look. Look at all these diamonds. Sorry, I've got some stuff on my desk here. Oh my God, look at all that. Oh, so amazing. So, I just want to, let me bring this back real quick first so that you can see. So, Diamond Art Club does use the standard DMC coating, so, which is kind of cool because, most of the companies I bought from so far really don't. Sorry for the crunchies. Alright, let's look at these colors. Okay, so we got a white. That is not like a black. Look at the shinies on those. These gem quality looks amazing. Look at how good those gems look. They just look amazing. Alright, I'll just give you a good run through of looking at the colors that come through this. So, and yes, I'm sorry, the numbers are upside down. Let's fix that. Let's flip all this. Okay, here we go. So $4.14, $36.99, $3.18, and these are the DMC numbers that I'm reading out. Ooh, look at that orange. Oh, that's the Aurora, that's an Aurora Borealis. Look at that. That's one of the Aurora Borealis gems. Oh my God. Oh, I'm super stoked. Oh, there's going to be a lot. Wow. Look at this. 138, 310. Another another 310, and another 310, and another 310. There is a total of 5 blacks of 310, 5 bags of 310. All right, hold on. I'm trying to make sure these are right side up. Okay, here we go. So we have 321, 979, 415, 333, 413, 814. Is that 606 or 806? Wow, that's really hard to read. 334, 36, 37. Sorry, that was 3760. Let's read properly. 398, 762, 782. I'm reading slowly so you can see the colors. 400, 319, 300 with a little, a few escapees. 312 with some with an escapee. 915, 775. The gem quality is really amazing. 115. 742. Sorry, the camera just got a little blurred there. 742. More runaways. 718. 7947. 740. 336. 3811, 3607, 200, 317, 890, 991, 126, and that's the other Aurora Borealis. Look at that. So pretty. 917. 3608, 3814, we're almost running here, 992, 982, 993, 891, and 598. Wow. Okay, so that's all of our colors. I'm going to pause here. I'm going to lay the canvas out on the floor so I can pull the camera all the way back and we can see the full canvas and look at the legend and everything on it. So I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back here. So we do get 2 legends, one at the bottom and one at the top. I'm sorry, I'm a little out of focus here. I'm not sure how why that's doing that. Hold on. Let's see if I can adjust this. Oops. It's the brightness, not the focus. All right. So I am going to pull all the way back here. There we go. There's the full look of the canvas. What a gorgeous piece. All right. Well, thank you for joining me on this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed seeing this one. I really enjoyed opening it. I'll bring you back when we go to get this one up. And then we'll go from there. So thank you. If you like, hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for joining me.